Hi, I'm Ritika Sammadar, the Chief Dietitian for Max Healthcare. Today we are going to talk about diet in typhoid. Typhoid is very common disease, specifically in the metropolitan cities where people are usually eating outside. It's a foodborne disease. Eating healthy, eating safe and hygienic food can actually prevent you from getting typhoid. But once you've got typhoid, diet also plays a very important role in recovering and preventing the reoccurrence of typhoid, which is also very common. So one thing which you have to remember in typhoid is that eat a very clean, or what we call a safe and hygienic food. What it means is try and avoid eating outside, especially if you've got typhoid. Try and eat simple ghar ka khana, what we call, which is not too oily, not very spicy, which is very important in typhoid. The second thing is hydration is the key for recovery. So plenty of liquids. When I say hydration, it does not mean only water. It means different kind of fluids which has sodium and different electrolytes. So nimbu pani, naral pani, your juices, your chaach, buttermilk are an excellent source to hydrate yourself. So hydrate well during your episodes of typhoid when you get very high fever, and you feel much better if you hydrate yourself well. The third important thing during typhoid is that you need to take a good amounts of protein. Because it's a very catabolic disease, it really breaks down your muscles. So make sure that you're eating good amounts of protein. When I talk about protein, look for lean or easy to digest protein. So simple things like having washed dals, the so-called dhuli hui dals, or probably you can have some nuts once in a while. You can have dahi, which is very good. Milk, sometimes people do get a little bit lactose intolerance, but if you're able to digest milk, you can even have milk. The other sources of proteins which are very good during typhoid is like your eggs are very good. You can have lean proteins like fish. Mutton, chicken might not be digested during the acute phase. But remember, do not forget your proteins, because over a period of time, you tend to lose a lot of muscle mass, and that causes weakness and also in certain case, reoccurrence in typhoid. So what we talked about the diet in typhoid is simple things: eat a normal, healthy, balanced food, preferably made at home. Avoid eating outside because that's a source of infection for you. Hydrate yourself well by having a lot of fluids. And last and very important is to have a good amounts of protein, preferably the proteins which are easily digestible. And that will help you to cure your typhoid in a few days or weeks.